Now we'll have a look from the other angle. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bentleys. Let's take a walk through.
Mustangs.
Mustang. Is there a Mustang in here?
Yes, there is.
Look at that. There's an old Ferrari like Magnum PI.
That's a Magnum.
Yep, Magnum PI Ferrari. Oh yeah, baby. You will not see many of those on any road. Or those. They got quite the collection. All for sale, of course. Like Ferris Bueller might say, if you have the means, I highly recommend it. Oh, what's wrong with this one?
Well, I guess that would do.
Wow.
For a rainy day.
No, you wouldn't ride that on a rainy day.
What do you think of the Aston Martins?
They're okay. I mean,
You see that
Yeah.
green sexy car over there?
yep.
You do.
Yep, they got a lot of Astons.
What do you think about that green one?
What if they're an Aston
You know,
dealer?
green is my favorite color.
Well, I believe that to be a real Shelby,
That is the real deal.
and therefore, well, there you go, four-door Aston Martin.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
But look at that fastback.
She might be out of the price range. We can buy one of these four-door Astons.
She
Buy one of
is out of
those.
the price range.
It's
This
nice.
is an original Shelby, and that is an original.
Original GT350.
Yes. That is an original, and it's mint inside.
Wow.
Mint.
It's the right color too. Matches your eyes.
It is gorgeous.
Oh yeah, I got the driver on the other side. Good.
Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's almost like it was meant for me. I don't know. Could be fate.
The problem is, you buy an original Shelby, the first thing we're going to want to do is hack it up and throw a bigger motor in it. It just won't work.
Can't it just be a play fun car?
No.
It's an automatic.
It's not.
I mean, it's a manual.
I know.
I can just go out and play and just manually just go for little putts right.
Okay, that's fine. Pick one out. Get two.
It's the green one right here. And I already met the owner.
That's the one, huh?
And he said he'll make a deal.
I bet he would. Does a crate come with it?
Crate's cheap.
No, a container.
A container's cheap.
Yeah, it'd have to come with one. They must be a Maserati and Aston Martin dealer. Because there's a bunch of them. This is a good looking car.
That's beautiful.
That is a good looking car. And who doesn't like a Ferrari? Dang, that's a nice car.
That one is not for sale.
That is a nice car. I like that car. There's your four-door version. Hey man, how you mate?
Wow.
That's a real car.
And that's
No?
And then my feet, exactly. You guys ready to go home?
Yeah, we are. We're enjoying it here, but it's time to go home.
it's pretty good.
Oh, big Bentley. There's your big B. Here's your Bentley.
Oh yeah.
Two-door.
I'd really like a four-door,
But that car would really be nice.
but this would be
It would be.
one day.
Those are nice cars. That one sits
One
on the wrong
day,
side,
baby.
but that's a nice car.
One day I'd like to own a Bentley.
All right, sign
And
us
look,
out.
It's blue.
Sign us out. It is
Look
blue.
It's got a beautiful tone.
Sign us out.
All right, so this is the car show. We're here in Australia. We've got 3 more days. We're having a good time, and we're taking out with a big bang.
Go home,
Love
see
y'all.
dogs. See ya.